Check out this pre-owned 2010 BMW 550i. This 4-door hatchback has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, premium sound package, sport package, heated front seats, automatic climate control, CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.